chicken sausage with spring onion and capsicum. Alright, now here on the stove top, let's heat a frying pot and add 2 tablespoons oil. Let's add chopped 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic. Let it turn to brown color. Add 2 to 3 sliced green chillies. Add 250 grams chicken sausage cut to 1-inch size. Saute for 4 to 5 minutes. Add handful of spring onions. Add 1 teaspoon pepper powder. A pinch of salt. Add 1 tablespoon soya sauce. Okay. 2 tablespoon chili sauce. One tablespoon tomato sauce.
Capsicum.
Add 1 diced capsicum. Add 2 tablespoons cornstarch slurry. Mix well. You can add little water. Mix well. Stir for 1 to 2 minutes.
Vinegar part दीजिए.
Add 1 teaspoon vinegar. Wow, it's so flavorful. Try it, guys. It's so easy. You can find the recipe in the description box. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.